Most men think loving a woman means chasing her 24/7, but here's the truth. Women only chase what they think they can't fully have. If you want her to respect you, desire you, and fight for you, you have to know when to pull back. Let's break down exactly how to do it the Stoic way.
1.
Women want what they can't have. Humans want what's rare. Women are no different. When you're too available, you lose your mystery. When you're slightly out of reach, you become valuable. She wants to earn you, not be given you for free.
2.
Attention is her currency. Your time and focus are worth gold. Every like, comment, text, or call, it feeds her ego. When you stop giving that freely, she feels the loss. Your attention must be earned, never given away cheap. 3. Why needy men repel women. Neediness is unattractive. A man who chases too hard shows he doesn't value himself. When you act desperate, you send the message that you have no options.
Be calm.
Be collected. Need nothing and watch her chase. 4. Detachment equals power. Stoicism teaches you to stay in control of your emotions. When you detach, you don't react to her games. You don't panic if she pulls away. You stay focused on your purpose, and that calm strength pulls her back.
5.
How to actually ignore her. Ignoring doesn't mean being rude. It means you stop overgiving. Don't always reply fast. Don't always be available. Prioritize yourself, your goals, your peace. She'll feel your absence, and your worth will rise. 6. You're the prize, not her. Switch your mindset. You are the prize. She's not doing you a favor by being in your life. You bring value. A Stoic man knows his worth and never lets a woman forget it. 7. Her tests are loyalty checks. When she acts distant, it's often a test. She wants to see if you'll break your frame. A Stoic man doesn't beg, doesn't chase harder. He stays unbothered. That calm reaction proves your strength and makes her respect you more.
8.
Master the energy shift. When you pull your energy back, everything changes. She starts to chase. She reaches out first. She invests more. Give less attention, hold more power. That's how you make her work for you. Conclusion. So, remember, ignoring a woman the right way isn't cruel, it's wise. Don't chase endlessly. Don't give free attention. Be the man who has options, goals, and purpose. The man who doesn't fear losing her because he knows his worth. That's how you flip the script. If you want more secrets to master women and your own mind, hit that subscribe button now. Stay focused, stay strong, and stay stoic. See you in the next one.